Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Inside the Covers. Today, we are diving into an extraordinary book that holds the power to reshape the way you think and take control of your destiny. We're talking about How to Own Your Own Mind by Napoleon Hill. If you've ever wondered how to master your thoughts and channel them toward success, then stay with me until the end. This isn't just about positive thinking, it's about structuring and directing your mind in a way that guarantees results. Napoleon Hill doesn't just talk about wishful thinking. He lays out a strategy that has helped countless successful people achieve their goals. Imagine having complete control over your thoughts, shaping them to create the life you want. It may sound like a dream, but this book turns that dream into an actionable plan. Today, we'll explore key principles such as creative vision, organized thinking, and controlled attention. Each of these principles plays a crucial role in harnessing the true power of your mind. Let's begin with creative vision. This is the ability to recognize opportunities and act on them. It's not just about imagination, but how you use it. Hill explains that imagination comes in two forms, synthetic and creative. Synthetic imagination is when you take existing ideas and combine them to create something new. Think about Thomas Edison. He didn't invent electricity, but he combined known principles to create the electric light bulb. Creative imagination, on the other hand, is when new ideas seemingly come out of nowhere. This is what artists, writers, and innovators use to create groundbreaking work. The key to developing creative vision is to train your mind to think beyond limitations, constantly refining and expanding ideas through definite purpose, a strong belief system, and the habit of taking action. A crucial aspect of creative vision is knowing how to stimulate it. Hill emphasizes the importance of having a definite purpose, knowing exactly what you want to achieve. Without a clear goal, your mind drifts aimlessly, making it difficult to generate new ideas. The second factor is surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals. This is what Hill refers to as the mastermind principle. When people with similar ambitions come together, their collective creativity flourishes, leading to innovations that wouldn't have been possible alone. Going the extra mile is another way to ignite your imagination. Passion and effort fuel creativity, and the more you dedicate yourself to something, the more innovative solutions you will find. Faith also plays a significant role in shaping creative vision. Many of the world's most successful people relied on faith to push through challenges. Hill explains that believing in yourself and your ideas fosters a mindset where creative thoughts flow freely. He cites historical figures who persevered against the odds simply because they had unwavering faith in their vision. Lastly, structured individual effort is necessary. No idea can thrive without action. Creative vision is not just about thinking. It's about applying those thoughts to the real world in an organized manner. Next, let's talk about organized thinking. How often do you reflect on your own thoughts? Most people don't realize how disorganized their thinking is. Napoleon Hill stresses that if you want to control your mind, you must structure your thoughts carefully. This can be done through inductive and deductive reasoning. Inductive reasoning is when you form conclusions based on observation, like carrying an umbrella, because you see dark clouds. Deductive reasoning is when you base conclusions on known facts, like defining a bachelor as an unmarried man. The biggest challenge Learn to separate fact from opinion. Most of us allow our thoughts to be shaped by the opinions of others, which can be dangerous. Hill suggests verifying all information before accepting it as truth and developing the habit of critical thinking. He emphasizes that an organized mind does not get distracted by irrelevant noise, but focuses only on facts that lead to success. One of the biggest obstacles to organized thinking is allowing yourself to be influenced by the constant stream of opinions around you. Social media, news outlets, and even well-meaning friends and family can cloud your judgment if you're not careful. Hill warns against accepting advice without scrutiny. He advises people to assess the source of any information and to question whether it's rooted in facts or just personal bias. People who master organized thinking are those who critically evaluate every situation before making a decision. To develop organized thinking, you need to cultivate controlled habits. Controlled habits involve consistently training your mind to filter useful information from distractions. For example, if you have a goal of financial success, you must discipline your mind to focus on learning about wealth creation, rather than indulging in mindless entertainment. Your brain is like a camera. If you don't know what to focus on, it will capture everything, including distractions that derail your progress. However, with controlled habits, your mind will zoom in on only the things that matter. Let's move on to controlled attention. This is one of the most powerful tools you can develop. Hill calls it mental dynamite. Controlled attention means eliminating distractions and focusing all your energy on a single goal. But how do we achieve it? There are 5 essential elements: definiteness of purpose, self-discipline, controlled attention, auto-suggestion, and willpower. Let's take Harold as an example. Harold needs money to pay his rent. Instead of panicking, he sets a clear intention. He will make the money. He disciplines himself, refusing to waste time on distractions. He directs all his energy toward earning. Through auto-suggestion, he brainstorms ways to make money, offering repair services, tutoring, or odd jobs. He uses his willpower to stay committed, even when faced with rejection. By following these principles, Harold doesn't just hope for a solution, he creates one. The importance of willpower and controlled attention cannot be overstated. Many people give up before they even start because they lack belief in their own ability to succeed. Hill stresses that persistence is the key to breaking through mental barriers. The greatest inventors, entrepreneurs, and leaders in history were those who refused to give up, even after countless failures. Edison, for example, famously failed over 1,000 times before perfecting the light bulb. Alexander Graham Bell struggled through years of setbacks before finally developing the telephone. What separated these figures from the rest was their ability to stay focused on their purpose, blocking out all distractions and doubts. Andrew Carnegie, one of history's most successful industrialists, also championed the idea of controlled attention. He believed that the key to success was directing all mental energy toward a specific goal. In his own life, Carnegie concentrated entirely on the steel industry, learning every aspect of the business and perfecting his craft. His focus allowed him to dominate an entire industry. Even in fields that require versatility, controlled attention is vital. In retail merchandising, for example, each department must have specialists who are fully focused on their specific tasks. This principle applies to all aspects of life. Whether you're pursuing a career, learning a skill, or achieving personal growth, concentration and discipline are essential. So how do you apply all of this to your own life? First, define your goal with absolute clarity. Second, train your mind to separate fact from opinion, developing organized thinking. Third, practice controlled attention by eliminating distractions and staying committed to your purpose. Understand that success is not an accident. It is a deliberate process that begins with mastering your own mind. Before we wrap up, let's reflect on the big picture. Everything starts in the mind. If you can control your thoughts, you can control your life. Ignore the doubts, the fears, and the negative influences around you. Instead, focus on what truly matters and take action. Thank you for tuning in to Inside the Covers. If you found this summary valuable, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know how you plan to apply these lessons in your life. And remember, the power to change your mind is the power to change your life. Keep reading, keep growing, and keep owning your own mind. Until next time.